Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy M54. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and then click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set your default browser, or you can click cancel, and now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can click sign in, or you can click not now, and you can turn on notifications from this browser, or you can click not now again. And here you can select your toolbar placement, or you can just click save and start browsing. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.